Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use Affirm in store. So let's get started. So to use Affirm in the store you have to follow these steps. Okay, so first of all I will just use Affirm. So you can just make the purchases in a store, in an app or a Affirm. So we will partner and select the store offer and loans with a low interest and which can be searched in a Affirm app or affirm.com. You have to make a purchase at the partner store. Okay, or you can make a purchase through your mobile app by scanning or by providing the details, and you can make through a purchase from your Affirm website also. So to make an in-store purchase, you can directly connect your Affirm account or Affirm card to your Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, or any other like Google Pay, Universal. You can just connect them and you can just use freely. So this is all we can just do. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.